Good day and welcome to Treflow Tutorials. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to use Capcut to record your video without you looking through where you have written your video script. So how do you do that? Let's check this place. Can you see this place? Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Then can we see this prompter? So that's what we are going to be using. I want to use the prompter, but first, it is either I type in my script or I have it somewhere. I'll just go there to copy it, then bring it to prompter. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, I have this. So let's say this is what I want to talk about. This is what I want to talk about. So I'll just copy it from ChatGPT. Then I'll come back to my Capcut. I'll click on prompter. Okay, can you see that? So this is what we have here. If you think your video will be more than 15 seconds, you can change it to 60 seconds, or probably a longer video, you can make it 3 minutes. So let's say I want to go with 15 seconds for now. Then I'll come here, click on this my edit button. Now I'm going to clear this one, then paste the one I copied. Okay, so I can put it into paragraph so it can be easier for me to read out when I am about recording. Okay, I'm trying to put it into paragraph. Okay, so when I'm done with this, the next thing I'll do is click on this done. Click on this done. Click on done. And love is a complex, multifaceted emotions that can take any form. Now I want to start recording. Can you see what it looks like? So now the next thing I'm to do is click on this record button. This thing here, this script here is not going to be showing as subtitle. It's just for you to read it here while you are recording. Just to read it here while you are recording. That's what this place is all about. This place is just your script, so that you won't be checking somewhere and then you understand. So that's what. So I'll click on record. 1, 2, go. Can you see? So it's going.
Can you see? Love is a complex and multifaceted emotions that can take any form. It is often.
Now this is not showing my
Love
face or whatever because I recorded it at night in the dark.
That can take any
so
form.
If I love the video, I'll just export it. If not, I can do some other editing. For further editings and any other thing we can use CapCut for, I will be showing us.
Love is a complex.
If you want to add some text, do some other things before you share it, you just do that on your CapCut before you export. So in our next video, I'll show you how to do subtitle, how to do auto caption with your CapCut. Stay blessed.